Meaning of flamboyantly.
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 Flamboyantly. Flamboyantly is an adverb that describes someone or something that is showy, colorful, or extravagant. It often refers to a person's behavior or style of clothing that is meant to draw attention and make a bold statement. For example, a flamboyantly dressed individual might wear bright colors, bold patterns, and accessories that are designed to stand out. This kind of behavior can be perceived as confident, fun-loving, and attention-seeking. However, it can also be seen as ostentatious or trying too hard to impress others. Ultimately, whether flamboyancy is positive or negative depends on the context and perspective of the observer.